Hello guys, how are you? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how can we deploy our Python program into executable software. Okay, I will show you both the Windows and Linux deployment processes. Okay, and one by one I hope you will like this and I hope you will benefit from this video. Let me show you. I had created an application which I'm going to deploy. Okay, so here is the application Python 3 my app.py. This is the application that I'm going to deploy. Okay, so let me show you. Please watch entire video, do not miss anything. So first I will install py installer module. Okay, uh, let me show you. It's installing. Okay, py installer has been installed successfully. Now I'm going to deploy my application into executable package. So for that I will use PyInstaller and I will show you two different methods. Okay, first let's use just my app.py and see how it works. It's packaging. Okay, it's packaged. Let me show you. Clear ls. Okay, the package is in dist folder. Okay, so we go to dist folder and we see there is another directory, my app. Let's go to my app. Okay, you can see there are so many files and this is my app file which is executable, so I will simply use my app. Okay, you see this dot slash my app and it's running our application. But if I want to package this whole application into just one file, we don't need these files. So how we will do that, let me show you. Okay, let me remove dist and build folder. Okay, again I will I will write PyInstaller and here I will use one file flag and then my app.py. Okay, now see it's packaging. Okay, package is done. Let me show you. Clear ls. Okay, now you can see dist folder, so we go to dist folder and ls. You can see there is just one file, my app. Okay, there is no directory or other files. It packed into just one file, my app, so I call this my app and see it's working. Okay, so this is for Linux. Now I am going to show you for Windows. Please watch entire video very carefully. Okay, so you can better understand each and every step. Do not rush. Okay, here I'm going to create a simple application so we can deploy it into executable software. Okay, so first I will use from tkinter import everything. Okay, and here I will initialize it. tk root dot main and root dot title my application and root dot geometry 400 by 400. Okay, and I think that's enough. Now here I will enter label and root text hello port work. Okay, and I will call back. Okay, now I will add another button just to exit the application. Okay, so root text exit software. Okay, and here I will use command. In command I will simply use lambda, because one line expression will be good enough to exit the software. So for that, root dot destroy. Okay, okay. In this Windows application deployment, I will show you couple of things, so please watch very carefully. Okay, do not skip anything. Okay, here I pack it, right? So this is our application. Now let me show you how is it looking, then we will deploy it. Okay, my first app.py, this is my application file name. Okay, this is the software that I am going to deploy, right? If I click this button, it will close, right? Now here I will install PyInstaller. Okay, PyInstaller. Okay, PyInstall has been installed. Now I will call PyInstaller, and then, as I said, sorry, as I said in previous Linux section, uh, I will use one file flag, so it will pack whole package into one file. Okay, then my first app.py, the file name, and see it's packing. Okay, it's done. Let me show you. In this dist folder, let me open it in Explorer so you can better watch it easily. Dist folder, right? And this is the application. This is exe file, okay, which is used for Windows usually. And you can see one more thing which is extra. This is the command prompt window. This is extra, it should not be there. Okay, I will show you how can we remove this, but let me show you. um, okay, my antivirus was scanning it, but it's okay. Okay, you can see this Windows extra, and this is our application, okay, which is deployed already. So now I'm going to remove this. Let me show you. Watch carefully what I'm going to do. Okay, I remove test and build. Okay, here I go, and again PyInstaller. Okay, one window, oh sorry, one file. Okay, and again I will give another flag which is -w. Okay, and my first app.py. Now it should pack the application as usual, but when I run it, it should not show the window, I mean command prompt window. Okay, let me show you. Here we go, dist folder, and see. Now there is no command window, and the only application which is running here. Okay, so this is how PyInstaller works, and we can deploy our Python application into executable files. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification for upcoming videos. See you in next videos. Goodbye, take care, bye.